Meet Joshua and Philip. These are brothers in dispute over land that was left to them by their mother.
Listen, man.
Joshua is unhappy with what he has inherited and wants more.
Make this be the last time you come from my property. Why?
Philip is satisfied with what he has, but he still needs to access his brother's property for basic necessities.
How am I going to get water? And why are you behaving like that?
Because this is my piece of property.
So how am I going to get water?
Listen, I don't business with that. Go get water on your own land.
Look, Mama died leaving this piece of land for both of us.
No. This is supposed to be my piece of land. So you don't have no rights here, so. You already get all of your millions in education.
Joshua, a rubbish yatta. Mama left this piece of land for both of us, with me getting the bigger piece. So I shouldn't have a problem coming over here to collect like water. And furthermore, water commission need to come over here and run a pipe through here.
All of this belongs to me. If you want land, go use a diploma and buy land.
You can't stop me from walking over here. You did not get an education because you wanted to remain a dunce. That was your choice.
You want to test me?
Joshua, what is the problem?
Last time you are telling me no. Don't make him walk across back from my property.
You know what? Talk to your man.
Joshua, this is not the time, Joshua. Just don't put yourself in any trouble, Joshua.
The fight between Joshua and Philip is a common one. As we say in Jamaica, everybody love a deadly fight. And so I am not surprised to see it. It could be avoided, however, if it is that there was actual knowledge of the contents of the will from the get-go, especially on the part of Joshua, and a lot of the conflict could have been avoided.
Meet Sonia, Joshua's wife of a few years. Meet Jolene, Philip's lady. The two ladies have simply decided that they need to kill the conflict between their men.
Can you speak to him? Can you actually get through to him? Because if this does not stop, you and I will be attending a funeral soon.
Please, and that is what I don't want. I'll try and get through to him. Yes! What is it?
I just coming from down the building society.
Mm-hmm.
They won't lend me the money.
They won't lend you the money? Why?
No. Them say the land no value enough. I don't know where I'm going to get the money from. But you see, if I did have all the land, then they would lend me the money.
Joshua, here.
All this.
It's a letter. It's a letter from Radha. They want you to come in Kingston tomorrow for training.
So quick?
You going?
What kind of question that you ask me? Then the must.
After the break,
I think you guys need to see a professional, a counselor or something.
Hello?
Joshua, come.
What?